Hello mga madam! So for today's video ay isi-share naman po namin sa inyo yung experience namin o yung trip namin dito sa Palawan. At isa po dito ay sa Astoria Water Park. Super ganda at mag-i-enjoy po talaga kayo. So nag-drive po kami from Puerto Princesa hanggang dito po sa Astoria. Bali 1 hour po yung biyahe namin papuntang Astoria. Pero po hindi po ninyo mararamdaman yung pagod dahil sa tanawin pa lang super ganda na at malapit po kasi ito sa beach. Kaya mapapawaw ka talaga.
So we're going inside Astoria, Palawan, and it's so beautiful. I love the water park, and it's so beautiful, pretty, and there's many stuff that you can do. There's water slides and a very, very big park inside of it.
Tapos no dumating kami ay sinalubong kami ng mga kwintas na ito na talagang mafe-feel mo na nasa Palawan ka. So habang hinihintay namin yung aming rooms dahil nga napaaga kami ng dating bago yung check-in, ay binigyan pa kami ng complimentary food. O diba? Napakasarap po nito dahil bibingka at isang ube drinks po ata ito. Talagang mafe-feel mo na nasa Palawan ka or nasa Pilipinas ka. Talagang Pinoy na Pinoy. Bungad pa lang, napakaganda na ng Astoria. Tingnan nyo naman yung design, yung pagkalagay, napaka-aesthetic. Tapos feel mo na parang nasa Palawan ka talaga, yung mga design nila. So, while waiting there, nag-order na rin kami ng food namin kasi medyo gutom na ang mga person. Ayan.
Look at our room. It's so cozy and so beautiful. There's so much designs and there's even a curtain to see everything. I love the room, how there's a mirror, you can see yourself, there's a TV. There's everything you could want in here. Look at the bathroom. There's a bathtub and there's many things and it's really spotless. After we change, we go to the water park and have fun. It's so nice and we have everything and it's so big park. And then me and my sisters go on the slide and I went on the slide. I was so scared. It dropped my lungs, but I was so happy. And then my ate went to the big slides, and she's alone and she's not scared. I tried twice, but I was not scared that much because I was wearing a floaty because I'm not allowed to go without a floaty.
At syempre, pagkatapos nila mag-swimming, syempre napagod na at nung medyo gabi na or dumilim na, ay nagpunta na kami sa restaurant dito sa Astoria at buffet style siya. Napakasarap ng food nila. And alam nyo ba, ang the best dito sa Astoria ay yung mga staff nila na napakagaling at napaka-approachable nila, healthful, tapos smiling face. Alam mo yun, talagang feel mo na nasa Pilipinas ka lang, pero pang world class ang style na talagang babalik-balikan mo ang Astoria. So ayan, nag-enjoy kami sa pagkain, tapos may pa-dance, fire dance pa sa gabi. Napakaganda. At meron pang naghaharana sa'yo sa gabi. So nag-enjoy din po kami dito. Habang kumakain, ay merong kumakanta. We stayed 3 days in Astoria and then we went back again for another 3 days after namin mag-El Nido kasi super ganda po dito. Medyo pricey pero quality naman at swak na swak po dun sa gusto mo talaga na ma-relax ka. O diba? So ayun na nga. So pag pupunta po kayo dito sa Palawan, wag po ninyong kalimutan mag-visit sa Astoria Water Park. Super ganda at super mag-i-enjoy po talaga ang inyong pamilya. I hope you like this video mga madam. Please follow my Facebook page for more fun and exciting reels. Bye!